cap queen cells right there. Queen cells right there.
3 maybe.
Maybe. That one looks really small. But yeah, just the right shape. It's too long for a drone. So they're doing it. They're building a queen.
So there's another
There's
one.
another one. I think you just need to wait. I think you got another week or so and then you'll have a queen. How long ago?
It's been like
Well, I know
2
that.
months.
Don't tip it.
That's extractable, I think.
Oh, that is
'Cause we could
gorgeous.
cut
No,
it.
there's a lot. There's a lot that's not capped.
We could
I know
cut
we
it.
could. That's what I said last week. But we need to wait for him to cap it all.
Not really. We'll eat it faster than that. Capping's only for storage. Doesn't spoil it.
It's so sweet. I think we should just wait a few more weeks. We got plenty of room up here.
I got a spotlight. Hey, look at that.
That's the same one.
No, it's not.
Yeah, there was one in there, remember, that never
This?
hatched?
No,
Wasn't it?
that's not. It's on. It was on the end.
Oh.
That's not the same one. Yeah, we got all sorts of stuff going on this side. Look at that open. Same. Why aren't they capping these?
Well,
Just like
they
last
just don't
week.
have them full all the way.
Oh, look at that brood. How's yours?
Hive just doesn't make barriers, I guess. Maybe we need, I think we maybe ought to put a queen excluder on this top one. So that she doesn't go into those small frames.
Look at that. Look at all the larvae.
Uh-huh. I think we should put a queen excluder right here. Because I don't want her to go up into those honey frames that are just
Yeah, we can.
honey.
Look at this.
Wow.
That is a beautiful.
I'm afraid she's not going to have, I mean, if she's laying up here, I'm afraid maybe she doesn't have enough room to lay it down below.
She could just be making her rounds.
She likes long walks.
And beaches.
This one's capped.
Look at the brood. Let me see. You want to put it on the top too?
Which way's up or down?
Doesn't matter. Symmetrical.
Got it.
You want to put it on the top too, right? We have 2 more.
I'm putting
Here,
it
hold on.
here, and then you're gonna
Hold on, let me get him. Let me get him off. You ready? There you go. That was good.
Yeah, that's how it worked the first one.